Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillah, thank you for attention all. And then my name is Yidi Prayoga. Call me Yoga.
Yoga. Hai Yoga.
Okay. Hi. Our topic about dream.
Dream, yeah, I got it. 10 years later, man.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. According to me, the dream different with different with profession like doctor, like contractor, like teacher, but dream is very deeper, lebih dalam, more long, yes. Profession that is still in the world, but dream must pierce to the sky. So the dream must about like my dream is Allah, because if profession if
Sana kena lihat.
please if dream like a profession or dream same to profession, if our dead, my dream is dead.
Ya.
My dream is dead. If Allah my dream, if our dead, my dream life.
Always life.
Always
Always life. I got it. Yeah.
So the point is we must the dream to Allah, and all work that is professional thing.
Yeah, I got it.
So in the next time, my dream is
To defend Muslim. To defend Muslim.
please.
Membela Islam.
No, please. This is my profession, and
Yeah.
in the next time,
Yeah.
I want display.
Explain.
I want display my profession or my work in next time. I want build. I want a founder. Language build like rumah bahasa.
Masya Allah.
I want the people in my village Mulu can scholarship in
Abroad.
country international.
Yeah, abroad. Yeah.
So that is my dream. So I want my village is maju. Simulu is
It's more bigger and famous in whole the world.
yes,
Terkenal.
famous in the world. Yes, that is. And then my strategy is